Navigating conversations can be tricky, but going in prepared and with good intentions can help. Showing respect and empathy are key to avoiding offense, especially when giving constructive criticism. But if you do happen to offend someone, giving a sincere apology is crucial. Following up with your actions and words to demonstrate that you've learned from the mistake will also go a long way to mend the harm. To plan tough conversations in advance, use the acronym THINK. True, helpful, inspiring, necessary, kind. Ensuring your advice or request fits all these criteria will increase your chances of being well received. Encourage the person you're speaking with to rise to the occasion and offer compliments to inspire improvement. Providing specific, actionable feedback empowers change without implicating someone's character. Be mindful of potentially hurtful words and be open to feedback on language use. Respect each person's self-identity and ask for preferred terminology directly when necessary. Keep questions relevant and lighthearted in social settings.